Stop setting goals, start building systems. Most people set goals and quit by February. Why? Because they don't have a system. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the complete system that actually works. First, set your compelling vision. What do you want to achieve in the next 12 weeks? Q4 2025. Digital course launch. Build a 6-figure digital course business. Your vision is the foundation. Then define your 3 major goals. Not 10, not 5. 3 focused, measurable goals. Goal 1, 90%. Goal 2, 94%. Goal 3, 45%. When you focus on 3 instead of 10, execution becomes easy. Every single day, execute your top 3 actions. Write 5 email sequences. Promote your lead magnet. Launch the template on Etsy. Check them off. Daily execution plus weekly tracking equals momentum. Track your progress every week. Days left. Goals on track. Cycle progress. Your complete system is ready. Everything connected. The 12-week year planner. Your complete execution command center in Notion. Normally $14.99. Today only, $5. January 1st special. Limited time offer. Get it now.